Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? So we continue our analysis on Bitcoin, but before we do that, I encourage you guys to please, if you like this content, kindly like the video, share it, and of course, you could subscribe if you like if you like the content I'm sharing on this channel. You could as well subscribe, and if you have USDT, whatever quantity of USDT it is you have, and then you wish to sell it, you can definitely reach out to me. I buy oil for all quantities of USDT. You could just either reach out to me here or on my phone number, which will be dropped somewhere. All right, guys. So let's go forward. So before us is the BTC USDT perpetuals chart, and then I'm taking this analysis from BitGet Exchange. This data is actually from BitGet Exchange. Look at it, it's from BitGet. So before us is the BTC perpetual 4-hour chart. And yeah, if you can recall yesterday when we were doing the analysis, I think BTC was around 58K, if I'm not mistaken. BTC was still around 57 plus 58K when we did the analysis. As we were doing the analysis, we pointed out this very resistance level, which we said that we are looking forward to BTC closing. And of course, it did that. Let me take the chart back. If you can recall, we pointed out this very resistance. I told us that I saw this resistance, and all along I had ignored it until that yesterday when I looked at the chart closely and I saw the resistance level. So beautifully enough, BTC actually went above it. Actually it went above that very resistance level, and something miraculous, should I say miraculous or strange? Of course, it's not strange because what is usually obtainable whenever BTC is always galloping up like that. Incidents like that are bound to happen. When BTC went as high as 64K 436, we saw it drop down to around 58K or there about 58K, just roughly 58. Let me get it clearly. 58.6. That's roughly $6,000 drop from the 64K where it went to, then it dropped to 58K. So roughly $6,000 drop. And then when I checked the news, they said it was because Coinbase cracked. It witnessed a lot of volume it hadn't witnessed in a while, so it made it to crash. My people, the truth is that news like that are usually expected. Incidents like that always happen, especially whenever BTC is witnessing such um an upward movement. So I am encouraging us to be cautious. We just need to be careful. A lot of persons are saying that the next place they are looking forward to is BTC hitting all-time high. At this very point, I am I am actually careful. I'm actually careful with my trading. I remember yesterday we pointed out this very support level that we were expecting BTC to reach, that as long as BTC was above it, that everything was, the coast was clear. But the truth is that right now, we are expecting BTC to come down to hit this very support, despite the fact that everybody is bullish. My bullishness, of course, generally the BTC movement is bullish, but right now I'm not expecting this continuous movement, this upward movement. I'm not expecting it to continue. I expect a downtrend to retest this very support level. That is what I'm expecting. So right now, I am not all that bullish about BTC until it comes down to retest this. It might continue like this. It might keep on going, maybe comes here to retest, but whatever it does, I expect it to come down to retest this very support level, whichever way it does it, or whichever time it decides to happen. I expect a retest to this very support level. Everybody is saying that BTC is gonna hit all-time high soon, but then I don't think that is going to happen until the halving. I'm talking from the past experience. I'm using past experience to judge what is gonna happen. Yeah, I think before BTC goes above this its previous ATH, that's its previous all-time high, I expect the halving to have occurred. And I tried to check when the halving will be taking place. I saw around mid-April. So we have a month plus before the halving occurs, and then I'm not expecting this all-time high to be breached um until the halving occurs. Nevertheless, anything can always happen in the cryptocurrency market. We've seen a lot of things we never thought possible. We've seen a lot of things happen we never thought possible. But then I'm just saying from previous experience, like I said, that I'm not expecting the halving to occur. I am not expecting the all-time high to be breached until the halving occurs around mid-April. So right now, I'm just being very careful. I'm just being careful with my longs. I'm just being very intentional about it. So let's just switch to 15-minute time frame to look at something else. Okay, the 15-minute time frame is showing us a sign of exhaustion. We are seeing a sign of exhaustion somewhere around there. So what if a situation whereby this continues to serve as a proven resistance level? I'm just saying, because anything can always happen. What if that happens? Okay, so what it means is that as long as BTC is still below this very resistant level, it is mini bearish. I don't want to say bearish. It's mini bearish. So these are just the things I'm looking forward to. These are just the things I'm looking forward to in my trading decisions. I just want to see some things happen. So this right now, this very resistance level would be serving as a guide. If BTC breaches it, in other words, the BTC goes above it. So I could just be taking a bit of long positions. But if it doesn't, I'm looking for short opportunities, maybe not on BTC. I could go to some altcoins. Now, let me give us an example of one of those altcoins. I'll be looking forward to taking some short trades on. Look at this. Now, this is Zeta USDT perpetuals. Yesterday, this was when BTC dropped to that 58K or thereabout. We saw Zeta drop from here when it got to around 2.74 or thereabouts. I hope I'm correct. Okay, no, yesterday we saw it get around here 2.6 or thereabout. Then it dropped to this very low of two, below. It actually went below $2, and right now we've seen it trade as high as 2.44 or thereabouts. So this is where it's currently is. So this is one of the coins I'll be looking forward to shorting if BTC continues what it's doing. If BTC fails to breach that resistance level. Another example of the coin I'll be looking forward to shorting is SUI USDT. Sounds like C Ronaldo signature coin. SUI. So it's one of those coins I'll also be looking for shorting opportunities on, an opportunity to short. I can see something here. I can see a resistance level here. Okay, maybe I didn't draw it exactly, but yeah, it just gave me. This chart has been here for a very long time. So yesterday, I was just with my phone. I saw it when it went to close below it. Then it ate up the support and then started pushing up. So all eyes are glued on BTC. My interest is basically on BTC. I want to see what BTC does at this very level, because whatever it does to a large extent will determine any trading decision I want to take. But like I said, I'm not really that optimistic about BTC continuing to go up. Now, I think this very support level, this very resistance level is breached, and breaching it is see what happened. Sharply dropped, came lower than that before it started correcting. So right now, I'm not really that positive about BTC continuing to go up. Instead, I'll be looking for shorting opportunities to take some short trades. All right, guys. So that's just what I wanted to share with us this morning. If you like the content, kindly like, share, subscribe, and please follow, of course. And please, like I said, if you have any USDT you want to sell to Naira, kindly reach out to me. I buy all quantities of USDT, okay? And I send Naira straight to your bank account. And that will be all for now until I come your way again. Hands ahead. Salute.